See the difference? That second clip has the same footage, is using the same phone, and it has the same everything. But the shake effect you just saw is called the aggressive shake, and it's one of the most used effects in edit culture right now. You can see it on fan edits, highlight reels, music videos, literally everywhere. And most people think it's complicated to make, but it's not. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it in CapCut right now, completely free. Let's go. Now, before I show you the method, real quick, there are two ways people do this wrong. First mistake is using the built-in shake preset and just slapping it on the whole video. That looks cheap, it looks like a filter, and the aggressive shake that actually looks good is done manually and it's synced to specific moments. Now, the second mistake is making it too much. The aggressive shake is supposed to feel intentional, like the video is reacting to the music, and when it's everywhere all the time, it just looks like bad camera work. So goal is to hit it at the right moment so it looks like a professional edit. Now, what I'll be showing you today is the version that actually looks good, the one you're seeing in all these edits that you want to recreate, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. All right, so there's a few steps to this, so let's get to it. So I have all my clips broken up. Each of them are just about a second long, maybe a little bit less, and they're just, again, quick little clips. Now, I did this one of an edit of Aaron Judge. I'm a Yankees fan. If you're a hater on the Yankees, you can put in the comments, but all my Yankees fans out there show up. But anyway, so I'm going to go through these clips. Now, I edited the first half. I want to do the second half now. So I'm going to start with this transition in the middle. So I'm going to go to the transition, and I'm going to look up X shake. I'm going to click on X shake up here. Good. And then I'm going to add that to that clip. All right, so now it's right here. So automatically it has a little bit of a shake on that transition. And honestly, what I do is I just go to all the clips and then I end up just adding that, so that way I don't have to worry about it later. So I'll look up X shake, add it in. Good. And I'll just add it to all of these. Now, we talked about this before. I can save it as a preset as well if I just hold down on it. Now it's saved. All right, so now all of them have a transition that has a little bit of a shake. Now, how do we get that aggressive shake so that way it actually looks like it in the video and it makes it more cinematic? So now this is where the fun happens. So we'll start with this clip right here. I'm going to create a separate effect. So I'm not highlighted over anything. I'm going to click Effects. I'm going to hit Video Effects. And then I'm going to look up shake. Now, there's a couple different shakes. It's not the one that kind of looks blurry. It's the one right here that kind of looks like, almost like it's going up and down or in a circle. This one right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one. Select it. I'm going to first make this not the entire thing because I need to do it for each clip. You want it to be half of the clip you're editing. So I'm going to move it until it's half the clip I'm editing. Okay, as you can see this clip right here, I stop it right there. Next, I want this object to be all videos. Now, this is where it gets a little tedious. I'm going to add my keyframe. So I'm going to add a keyframe to the beginning, which is the little diamond. I'm going to leave this the same, the speed and intensity. Then I'm going to go to the back end is where it's different. Add that keyframe, turn it all the way to 0, speed and intensity. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this, but the first keyframe right here, I'm going to change that. This first keyframe, I'm going to adjust this, and I'm going to make this a 20 for speed and 25 for intensity. Now, I'm going to do that 2 more times and just duplicate it. Now, obviously I didn't do the rest of these 2, but you can see how it has that hard shake and then it kind of goes slow. Then it goes into transition with the hard shake and then just keeps going back and forth. And play with this too. So you can play with it and you can end up like, if you want it to be a little bit slower at the end, then just leave that clip a little bit longer. So that way it's back to the normal without the shake. Once that transition hits, which is a couple seconds into the end of the clip, it'll have that aggressive shake. And then again, to keep it continuing, that's where those effects go in and you put those effects in there. So this is the easiest way that I found to do it. Again, I did that really quickly, and actually after you made the first one, you can pretty much just duplicate it and then slide it over all your clips, and then you're good to go. So that right there is the aggressive shake. It's built the right way. Now all you need to do is sync it to the music and have it hit at the right moments, not just slapped over the entire clip. And you can tell that the difference between that and the filter version is night and day, and now you know exactly why. Now, if this helped you out, do me a favor and drop a comment and also show me what you made with it. I genuinely want to see your edits, and all I want you to do is keep leveling up. So if you want to see the next CapCut editing video in this series, go ahead and check that video out over here, and I'll see you there.